Are you ready to hula along with me? If so, stay tuned. Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. In today's video, we will hula along together to the mele e ku'usui le po ina ole. This is a love song hula, so I'm wondering, who will you be sharing this hula with? I thought I'd give you some suggestions. Now, because this is a love song hula, this should be given to anyone that you would like to express how you feel about that person in a very special way. It could be as simple as dancing it for your significant other, maybe on an anniversary, maybe on Valentine's Day, or as big as something like a wedding, a party, or even a memorial service to celebrate the life of someone. Please share your hula with someone, and I'd like to know who that's going to be. Go ahead and give me a comment below because I'd love to read it. Now, it doesn't have to be right away. Maybe you're going to plan for something in the future. That's okay, but do something with your hula. Please dance it for someone as you share this very special and personalized gift. Now, if you're just tuning into my channel and have not yet learned this entire hula, go ahead and check out the links below to take you back to those step-by-step tutorials and then come back and hula along with us. Mahalo for tuning in today with me. If you could please give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, subscribe if you haven't, and click on the bell. And until we see each other again next week for more hula, ahui ho and aloha.